processing is an open source programming language, which is totally based upon electronic arts, new media, and visual design. Why I say about this is when you're thinking about something that is visually appealing to people, you use this ID. And there is a total, what we say is something, there is Windows Store, Android Store. So there is open processing where there are people or developers like I and you who have uploaded their work to the source code. So it's very easy to learn and there is a lot of things to experiment with. And it's developed by MIT Media Lab, so there would be a lot of updates coming up. And it's based upon Java language. Now this is the total setup of particular processing what we have. There is one setup to start with where we declare the size to be size of the window that we are working on. And it's a draw function where we put the logic and else like that's the total thing. This is the primary thing that's required to make one particular programming thing work. And we call it as a sketch. There is an example like at the end you can export it to any platform. From Windows or say. This is the demo, which will be involving more of your virtual interaction with it. It's like a maze game that I'm talking about. So when you move your hand around, you'll see that this particular green ball, you need to take it to the center. So right now, if I hold my hand, swipe my hand left, there will be a different pattern, and it will be very difficult to check how would you take the thing to the center. So if you want to decrease the difficulty, you swipe your hand right, so it will be gone. And now if I take my hand upwards, you will get another pattern. And now if I swipe my hand left, it's a totally difficult pattern. Now right, that's all. If I swipe my hand towards right, it will change. It's like a maze game that I have developed. You need to center the particular ball that you have to the front. So these are the things that are on development and you can work on it. Now what I will be doing is, I will be giving these examples as in the GitHub so that people can check on it and they can work with it. This is one of the things we have. People go to Discourse a lot of time. So I thought about that, let's experiment with this example and come up with something that's very, very good to our eyes. So this is a ring. Now it would work on its own. So when you take your hands towards this point, so with this, swiping left or right, the pattern changes. If I swipe my hand left, it would work in another way, right, it would work. So you have something called like a disco beats that can go with it. So this is the primary thing that we can do and work upon. So this is one of the examples you can tinker around, it's available. You need to do certain things if you want to import music libraries to it. There are also available. You can work with it. This is a particular 2D organism. We can think about it as an octopus. I call it Medusa. So this has a particular characteristic. You can take it around and just leave it, it would be there. Now if it move it around on the x-axis or the y-axis, according to your hand movement, it would track. probably everybody has seen the movie Matrix, I guess.
Yes.
So in this last part of the movie, we saw something that came up and was destroying the part of the people, like people who were there when Neo was around at the center point. This might be one of those kind of things. So the thing is that it's very shy, but when you interact with it, it has its different pattern. So it's totally based on the touchless computing. So you think the thing you're thinking in your dreams, what we are aware of, we can take it back to what we can do. So for us, sky is the last but not the least. One example where I would be using my mobile as my like virtual reality thing. Virtual reality thing is like if you take a picture of certain objects, if it recognizes that thing at your place, so it will transform that thing to the